Hello and welcome to Business and Investment Hub. Today video is about best explainer video maker, Bytable, Beyond, Powtoon. So watch the video till the end so that you can find out what is the best explainer video maker. So let's start. Best explainer video software, that is Beyond, Powtoon, Video, Shots, and some many more. It includes Bytable and Powtoon as well. So before making an explainer video, you need to have some basic knowledge and steps, which include it should be original. Your content must be original, okay? It includes humor and funny, because when your content is funny, it's more likely that your audience will like it and they will share it. Number 4, keep it simple. And 5, know your audience. When you make it simple, because the explainer video is to get a problem and make it simple about anything you want to show to your audience, okay? So you need to make it simple. Any problem or anything your product or service is solving, so show that problem and show that in your explainer video that you solve it. Then the other step is knowing your audience. You need to know your audience, because to whom you are making the explainer video, it's a must thing that you know your audience. After knowing your audience, you need to know how to make a great explainer video. So for this, you need to create a video script, because what are you going to explain in this explainer video? You need a proper script. So first you need to create a video script, then record a voiceover, because you have to have some voice and music, etc. Mainly voice, music sometimes not needed, just voice is needed, so that you can record a great voiceover. Then choose video software, which is this video is all about, to select a best explainer video maker. We will see it later. Then make your explainer video, and finally publish and share. So these are the basic points. I will repeat it, that for making a great explainer video, you need to have it original content. It must include some humor, funny stuff, and you need to make it simple, and you should know your audience. By knowing your audience, you can create a great video. So now let's begin our selection of which one is the best video maker, best explainer video maker. This includes Beyond, Bytable, and Powtoon. So we will go step by step. So the first one is Beyond. Okay, it's a great thing. It is making animated videos, and you can try it for free. I think it's 7 to 14 days. I think their trial is for that time. It's great for marketing purposes, because mostly people are now online, so marketers need video ads. So you can make that ads and also explain a video. And now you can see they have some great templates available to you. We will see their pricing first. So you can see, you can select it monthly. So you can see it here that their pricing is $49 per month for single user, and then it is $89 per month. Basic plan, this is a basic plan for those on a tough budget. The Beyond logo will be so this is a basic plan, but the problem is that it will have the Beyond logo. So we can select this premium one, because a single user plan for suitable small business needs include high quality exports and live chat support. So you can have this great customer support as well by paying the $89 per month. So Beyond is great. They have great templates. You can select it. In later videos we will explain the tutorial if I got good comments. So like the video, subscribe the channel, and also comment if you want some tutorial on Bytable. This is a new a company new software as a service solution, and it's also giving you a free trial, so you can have a great free trial period in which you will know either this is great for you or not. They also have great templates. You can see this video, so it's a great thing and is used by Airbus, Panasonic, IBM, Microsoft. So it is a great company and it has over 7 million people loving this stuff. So Bytable is great. They have great templates, and if you want a complete tutorial on Bytable, so comment down, we will make a great tutorial for you. So how use Bytable. Let's see their plans. You can use Bytable for free, or you can unlock potential with Bytable Premium. We will select monthly, and you can start Bytable for free. Okay, totally free forever, but it will include the watermark, and okay, this thing will be included. Then the other thing is the plus plan, 29 per month. I think this is their great plan because you will get HD resolution of your video, commercial rights. You can use it for marketing purposes, and you can use it for your product or services explainer video to show it to your perfect customers or audience. So I think their plan is great of 29 USD per month. Now we have other video maker, explainer video maker software. This is Powtoon, and they also have some good you can say templates. This is also used by great companies, Coca-Cola, eBay, Cisco, and some more. So you can see this is also very famous, and the 96% of Fortune 500 companies are using their services. So I don't think they have a free trial, so they do not have a free trial, and you will have to pay from the beginning. Trial period. Vyond has a trial period of 7 to 14 days, and then Bytable is free forever, but it will include a watermark, so you need to buy the premium version, that is the 29 per month. So let's see the Powtoon pricing, then we will discuss best one for you if you are just starting or you are small business. So their pro plan is $19 per month, and you can only export 5 videos. You can make 5 videos by paying, and that is annual. Sorry, this is 89, and oh, that's a bit expensive. I think it's 197 plus, and you can copy, you can get your videos unlimited exports, and by paying the 89 you can have only 5 premium exports. So I think this is expensive. That is great because great big companies are using it. So if you want to use it, you can use it, and 197 per month, and you can get unlimited premium exports. But the best one in my sense is the Bytable, because they have low prices, they have great templates, and you can start using it right away. You can start it free as well. So now it's up to you. They all have great templates, but I think Vyond and Bytable wins the race because they have some low cost, because you can see by paying 49 per month, this will include a logo, but you can have unlimited videos exports, and by paying 89 you can have unlimited exports. So Vyond and Powtoon is same, have at least same pricing, and Bytable is a bit low. So now it's up to your budget. What's your budget? And you can select from any of these three: Vyond, Bytable, or Powtoon. So thank you guys. If you want to see another video about the tutorial on Vyond or some Bytable or Powtoon, comment down below, like the video, subscribe the channel, and we will meet with another great video.